Almost a year ago, BMW officially confirmed plans to bring back the 8 Series. A few weeks later, it showed off the gorgeous concept 8 Series. But as fantastic as the 8 Series looked in concept form, we had to wonder how it would make the transition to production. Would it lose its good looks in favor of a more generic, watered-down design? Based on this barely camouflaged M8 prototype caught testing in Sweden, it doesn't look like that's the case. With only a tiny bit of camouflage hiding the car's shape up front, the headlights and grille are easy to make out, as are the power bulges on the hood. Overall, the look is a bit more restrained than an exotic like the Aston Martin DB11 or even the Lexus LC500, but it's still a handsome coupe that should give the Mercedes-Benz S-Class coupe a run for its money. The backside, then again, looks flawed, best case scenario. Be that as it may, before forming a hasty opinion, investigate the back. It gives the idea that BMW screwed additional disguise to the model's body trying to conceal the backside. Additionally, we've just observed an official secret that shows more smooth back styling. One detail we trust winds up on the generation adaptation is the fumes. Rather than including adapted tips, this model has a decent outdated quad deplete. These days, it's difficult to envision the generation debilitate going undecorated, however prior models have all shaken a similar look. Gratefully, the sit tight for more data is most likely relatively finished. BMW's prodded what resembles a 8 Series Grand Coupe idea for Geneva this week, and chances are great that the generation car will at long last be uncovered before it goes on special in the not-so-distant future.